Today's video is more about maintenance, taking care of your lashes, swapping them out, how often you should be doing your lash maintenance, how often you should be cleaning, all of that jazz. So there's this huge debate on my YouTube shorts right now about taking care of DIY lash clusters, what's good and what's not good to do with them. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial. We're going to do a product run through. Here are the video chapters. I'm going to hop right in and get straight to it. I got this big old cosmetic bag. Basically, I'm going to show you what I keep in this bag. Here is a lash removal that I keep on me. Your actual hairs, whatever hairs that you're going to keep on you, you want to reach for. Let's say you want to take everything off. The lash remover is going to take off a good majority of the actual lashes and some of the glue. You want to go in with a lash glue remover. I have like a little handheld towel. I don't really think it's ideal for you to have like a squeezy water bottle like this to squeeze out water into your actual eye area. It just makes a huge mess. But you could just use a mister like this one. I think it's better. Gel based cleanser, so this is what it looks like. Or foam, whichever one you prefer. Now me personally, I use gel. I have eczema, and in my eye area I get extremely irritated. So to keep my skin from being irritated in my lid, in my eye area, or my brows, I lean towards having gels. It's important to have a mirror. Keep some cotton swabs, so make sure you have your glue, your sealant. This is going to be the best thing out of this all, putting on the strong sealant to make everything like waterproof. With these applicators, you want to have your actual tweezer. I've been getting a lot of questions on what tweezers I'm using. This tweezer comes in a V-Eyes kit. I really like this one. It just has a really nice grip to it. Use the Duo 2-in-1 lash brush. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my lashes on the inside corners are hanging a lot lower into my eyes. So these are the hairs that I want to replace, and I'm going to turn my head to the side. You can tell just from this corner of my eye, you can sort of see how the hairs have grown. So my natural hairs have grown within this past week. So when I put these on originally, I got them as close as I could to my waterline. Let me see if I like pull them out a little bit so you guys can like see. Yeah, like you guys see that? So I had them a little closer to my waterline, the base of the hairs. And so they have grown. Typically normal for your outside corners and your inside corners to grow the most. But like as you guys see, like look at that. So I'm going to go in with my lash remover. There's a little bit of that. This is what the head looks like for the lash remover. I'm just going to take a little bit of it to the inside corner. I'm going to go like this from the top too, just to loosen it up. But there's a video on my page where I showed you guys how to take off your natural lashes. So I'm just taking this off and off. There we go, boom. This is important, guys, as to why there's so much chitter chatter on, do I keep these on, how long to keep these on, and do these damage your natural lashes? I'm gonna wipe this off. Next part in your maintenance routine, cleaning. You should be cleaning your lashes all the time. There we go, just like that. And then I'm gonna close my eyes and go ahead and clean. You should not be afraid to clean and wash through your actual install. And I know I'm gonna get this question, what glue did I use? Guys, it's the sealant. You can use any type of glue, but really it's the sealant. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my eye and take my towel to dry it. Whew. And then dry it. Patting. Everything is patting, so I'm patting. Okay, I'm patting it dry. We have not lost lashes. Lashes are still here. Wispies, and I'm using a very short length, so I believe this is like the 10. And apply it to the base. Make sure your hair is like this with the glue at the base. Just gonna put it on there. And I'm just going to take it in. We're like at the end of this, guys. Y'all have sold this out 3 times in the last month, which is awesome. I'm just gonna apply the sealant at the top. It's best to put it on the top where the glue is, and I'm going to squeeze in the center, or squeeze where I applied that hair. So this is what they look like. And then going through and brushing. Doing your maintenance and your cleanup, keep in mind that this is not supposed to take you any more than maybe 5 minutes. You're just gonna assess your lashes, see what needs to be fixed, and fix it. I'm gonna link all of the products in the description box down below. The last video was everything that you need to know about lashes before you start wearing them. So I think it'll be great if you watch last week's upload so that you can be fully caught up. And now you know what the expectations are for cleaning. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.